Let's look at the design and main features of the new Sorento. First, you'll notice the powerful yet stylish exterior design. In particular, the tiger-eye design of the grille and headlamps creates an assertive, intense front view. The simple front bumper and LED fog lights flow naturally into the large, powerful wheel design. With a longest-in-class wheelbase, the dynamic side design features simple, direct lines that appear sporty and solid. The flag-type outside rearview mirrors help to improve forward and side visibility. The rear wiper is concealed by a spoiler, and the rear lamps are arranged vertically. Maybe that's why the rear design looks bold yet sophisticated. You can easily open or close the power tailgate using buttons. Adjust the tailgate opening height by hand to your preferred level. Then press the power tailgate close button and hold for 3 seconds to set it. Or you can use the door menu of the infotainment system to set the opening height, or even the opening speed. Once inside, you'll immediately notice the robust design and cutting-edge technology. The large screen cluster, which offers options for visually engaging themes, and the intuitive infotainment system show how smart and sensitive the design is. Ambient light creates a comfortable and sophisticated cabin interior and allows you to choose from 7 basic colors, or 64 colors in total. Try selecting a profile. Features including multimedia, seat position, and outside rearview mirror angle will immediately adjust to your preferred settings. You can choose from a variety of driving modes to suit your driving preferences or road conditions. Choose between the soft, comfortable driving of Comfort Mode, Eco Mode for economical driving, Sport Mode for dynamic driving, or Smart Mode, which adapts to suit conditions and your driving style. Terrain Mode controls the all-wheel drive, engine, transmission, and braking system to improve performance in snow, mud, or sand. It adjusts the distribution of torque to the front and rear wheels to maximize traction and provide sufficient power when starting to move. The sensitive dial-type shift-by-wire lets you shift easily with the touch of a hand. The Sorento's cameras, radar, ultrasonic sensors, and other cutting-edge technology help you drive safely. It offers the most interior space in its class, as well as a variety of conveniences. You'll notice the generous legroom and luxurious upholstery, as well as the comfortable, upscale environment. There are seatback USB ports for convenient phone charging from the second row, while a variety of storage spaces are provided for personal belongings or beverages. Press the walk-in switch on the bottom or top of the second row seat. The seat will automatically fold down and move forward for easy access to the third row. The flat door scuff and assist handle make accessing the third row even easier. For child safety, even the third row offers child seat anchor points. The electric seat folding button on the right side of the trunk opens up a generous cargo area with plenty of room for your belonging. Now you can sit back, relax, and set out on a journey with your Sorento.